Hey guys, welcome back to St. Paul Harley-Davidson Service Department. Special treat for you. We're getting ready to announce the 2021 Tex Pick. If y'all remember last year, we did this for the very first time. We had all 8 of our techs pick their favorite bike out of the 500 bikes in storage and then present them to us and you to take a look at and judge over the course of the winter.
Yeah, out of the over 500 bikes that the guys had to choose from, this is our lineup here, and you can see they all have different levels of customization, some paint, some bars, a lot of cool features on there. So it'll be an interesting go-around this year.
Absolutely. You know, we're going to probably over the course of the next 5 weeks get you introduced to all 8 of our techs again. If you've forgotten about them, you'll be able to check out all these cool bikes, trick features, and who knows, you might even get some ideas of things you want to do to your ride while we're waiting for all this snow to melt. So what do you think, Phil?
I think we should go get the guys.
Let's do it.
All right.